Hi, I'm Janelle with Straighten Up by Janelle, and today we're gonna look at a better way to organize your pantry. An organized pantry will make a huge difference, and thanks to our sponsor, Afterpay, it's a difference you can start enjoying right away while paying for it over 6 weeks. And you never pay interest. The Elfa door and wall rack is by far one of my favorites because you can seriously use it in any space. But using it in the pantry is a total game changer. You can hook it over any door or attach it to a wall, and it only takes a few minutes to create a fully customized space. Okay, let's say you're gonna store all of your spices in one of these smaller baskets. When you're cooking, you can take the entire thing off, bring it right to the stove, and when you're finished, you can pop it right back on. These Elfa drawer units come in a variety of sizes to fit any space. I've used them for clothes in closets, toys and crafts in a playroom, and it's a great solution for a dorm. I promise it's a worthy investment. I actually have a client who's now using the one she got for college for her kids. I love it in a pantry because the drawers make it super easy to pull out and see what you have. I use it for snacks, for bulk food, and paper products. One of my pantry go-tos are the water Hyacinth Baskets. They come in all different sizes, are sturdy, and you can easily add a label clip to make it easy for anyone to know where things belong. I love that they add texture, so it really gives you a Pinterest-worthy pantry. Afterpay makes it easy to organize your entire pantry all at once, without having to pay for it all at once.